Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to make field required or non-required optional in billing detail form, shipping form, additional form using plugin in WooCommerce checkout. Before starting, like it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page, and then you see field last name, you see required. So we are going to make it optional or non-required by using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write checkout field manager, checkout manager for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see checkout. So click on it. So this is a new tab, checkout. In checkout you see checkout, billing, shipping, additional form, order, email. Now go to billing, so click on it. So we are in billing form and then you see field, first name, last name. So we are going to make last name non-required optional. Now you see required enable, now disable. So click on it. Now done. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. And then you see last name optional in billing form. So you can do these setting according to requirement in billing form, shipping form, additional form. So it's up to you by using this plugin. So you can make any field required, optional, non-required. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.